Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a JavaScript tutorial on freeCodeCamp. We're going to learn about the single and double quote strings in JavaScript. So in JavaScript, whenever we indicate a string, we either indicate it with double quotes like here or single quotes like this. It doesn't matter if we do double quotes or single quotes as long as they begin and end in the same one. So there might be certain reasons, and also that there might be certain reasons why you will use double quotes versus single quotes and vice versa. So for example, in this one, the text will say a quote, "Hey, Feng exclaims to Jake, algebraic," and we use double quotes inside of the string. So we can also, another way of writing quotes inside of quotes in strings is to use the opposite single quote or double quotes. So for this one, if you want to use quotes inside of it, the string indicating the quotes is a single one, and then the double quotes, you can use double quotes inside of it. And here's another example of using when you want to use quotes, because when you want to show possessive apostrophe s, you use single quotes for that. And so you will just use, you can use backslash in it as well. And then this double quotes says the quote you want to say. I know it's a little bit confusing, but basically the main idea is that if you want to use double quotes, you can use single quotes inside of it and say it's still part of the string. And then the vice versa as well. If you want to use single quotes, you can use double quotes inside of it. So for this exercise, it wants us to change the provided string to a string with single quotes at the beginning and end and escape no characters. So let's change this as first from double to single. And now, because when we do href, it's showing a new link that we want to go to under quotes. So we can use double for that, and then we can just get rid of the backslash. And that will be it for this one. Thank you so much.